Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss how to edit record in Excel Online in Microsoft Dynamics 365 CE. Now, we are going to show you how to edit in Excel Online feature. Now click on lead entity from here. So as you can see list of lead record, now click on three dot and then go to the export to Excel and then click on open in Excel Online. Now this is not taking you away from your applications. It basically just bringing up that view with all the data in Excel. So this is a technically doing is sort of an export and re-import without the user having to deal with that or known about that. Now here let's to do some data entry. Now scroll down. Let's say name is Rajiv Singh. So that is a text column and first name is also a text column Rajiv and last name is a text required Singh and topic let's say testing and this is also a test required and the status region is option set column. Now click on drop down and select any option from here. Now for 5 of these I can just grab and drag it down. So just I do all of the data entry. Like if you had it already in a spreadsheet and you want to do like some kind of actual import. So you could be copy and pasting across here. Now click on save button. Now you get here is an option if you don't have to do this. So I like to do. Now click on the track progress and it will show you a history of what's happened. So now status region is submitted. So now refresh it. So now as you can see status region is completed. Like if you have a look at what happened with the errors and have another go. So as you can see I have got 21 successes. Now go back and refresh the my open lead view. So there are 5 record of Rajiv Singh as you can see here. So in this video we covered how to edit record using Excel Online in Microsoft Dynamics 365 CE. Thanks for watching.